Homemade cream of mushroom soup is full-flavored and so easy to make. You won't buy soup in a can again. Wash 500 grams of mushrooms in cold water and thinly slice them. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Dice 2 onions. Finely chop 15 grams of parsley. Melt 50 grams of unsalted butter. Add the diced onions and sweat them until softened, about 4 minutes. Add the minced cloves of garlic and stir until fragrant, about 30 seconds. To help thicken and emulsify our soup, we're using 50 grams of flour. Stir it in and cook just until it's evenly incorporated. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook until brown. Depending on your taste, you can cook them longer for a darker color. Add 1 liter mushroom stock, 1 teaspoon thyme and 150 milliliter cooking cream. After boiling, let the soup simmer for just 20 minutes to let the flavors meld. Stir occasionally. Add the chopped parsley and salt and pepper to taste. Serve the mushroom cream soup with slices of French baguette. Click here to watch my other video.